Hello guys, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to our channel Travel with Sobia Ajib, where we talk about Canadian immigration and our life in Canada vlogs with 3 kids. So guys, if you haven't still subscribed to our channel, please click the subscribe button and the bell notification so that you get update about my new videos. In my previous Ontario Regional Immigration Pilot Program video, I got a lot of queries that there are no job opportunities. Like sitting back in your home country, you will not get any job opportunities. So why I am making that video? So guys, it's not about me, it's about the Canadian government. I agree that in my previous videos I have been saying that guys, don't rely on the work permit program, because Ontario, British Columbia, other Quebec, so many provinces, they don't want to spend money and time on calling people from abroad because they already have so much skills inside their country, inside Canada. So they already have so much of skills and brains inside Canada that obviously why would, for every job and for every province, we have provinces in Canada, so for every province they will not, and for every job they will not ask for people to come from abroad, because obviously if they keep on calling, even this is not even good for you people, because if you come here and then the Canadian government does not do anything for the immigrants, for the inland immigrants, and they keep on calling people from abroad, then how are we going to survive, you know? So guys, Canada is a land of opportunities. I will come again to this point that if they are opening up these regional pilot programs, these are pilot programs, that means it's just a pilot program for 3 years or 2 years, and they want to see how this thing first of all how this thing works, number one. Number 2 point for opening these programs is that people who are migrating here, like for example we got Ontario PNP, so obviously we want to live in the GTA area. We are living here in Canada, and believe me guys, we are like, it's been almost 1.5 years, like we've crossed 1.5 years in Canada. We are in Ontario, we have our jobs here, we have our, okay, I don't work, but my husband is like, he has created a social network, he has created an official network, and a network of colleagues, a network of friends, a network of family friends. You know, you have all these circles when you are living anywhere in the world. So we have built and we have invested so much time and efforts to go out, and we will not move to these rural communities, not for now, unless and until my husband gets a job of $100,000. Or for you, there is an ample like I would say, there are ample opportunities. You can apply, you can get a job offer, and you can go through the list of in-demand occupation, and you can see if your skill falls in that category, because these smaller communities, they usually go for very less IELTS score. Usually it's 4, so it's very easy. I would not say it's very easy, but yes, you have to, since it's quarantine. So what you can do along while sitting at home, you can also keep on applying for jobs. Keep your eyes open, put those alert notifications for any new job opportunity in your specific criteria in that specific community. When you will come here, you have to serve a specific period of time. If it's PNP, you will have to serve, I think, 2 years. Yes, because we are on PNP and we can serve 2 years. We have to serve in Ontario, and then we can move to any part of Canada. Regional programs, the rural programs are a golden chance for you, because those cities need people in that sector. So apply, because no other immigrants, no other settled people, no other citizens are willing to move in those smaller cities. So there is a gap over there for skilled people, for blue collar, white collar jobs. Find that, apply, and come to Canada. And after 2-3 years, you can move to any part of Canada. Nobody is stopping you. You can even get the passport, and you can even, if you get a job offer from US, you can move there on a work permit there. For a PR requirement, you have to fulfill 3 years out of those 4 years. It's a golden chance. I'm again saying it's a golden chance for you guys. Please take that. Like this, every other person who is coming on express entry, they want to live in the big cities because they find they feel that the job opportunities are more. So what has happened over time, that all of the population of Canada has started, it's become concentrated in the main cities, in the big cities, in the, I would say, glamorous cities of Canada. Every province has a rural community and urban community. And now what happens, that all the rural communities, all the rural areas, they have become empty. They need people, and obviously for survival they need people, for the economy, because for their economy they want people to work there, they want people to stay there, they want the local people to benefit from that, they want local people to work in their supermarkets, at their petrol pumps, at their small offices, probably real estate office, to work. And construction is the biggest, since people will be moving to these, they are calling people in the regional areas, so people will start moving towards these areas. There will be more construction projects going on. They will build houses, they will build buildings once they feel that there are many immigrants inside. So obviously for all these things, for plumbing, for delivery guys they need, and obviously managers, they need managers, marketing people, they need IT people, because Canada is very advanced digitally. All these people who are living in these areas, they shop online for all the things, so their deliveries, their tracking systems, the shipping, logistics, all these sectors are booming in Canada in these areas. Now because unfortunately because of this COVID, everything did slow down, but now again Canada is opening up these regional programs, because this is announced by the government. And you have seen, I've made a video on the Ontario regional program, pilot program. So if you haven't already subscribed, there is a lot of I would say information coming up on my channel and already published. Already I've made many videos. It's more than 105 videos on this channel to get you familiar with the life in Canada. So hit that subscribe button and the bell notification icon. The purpose of this video was to unblock that mindset, which obviously we as as outsiders, when we did not receive this Canadian immigration, we were living in Dubai, we also had this mindset. So I want to unblock that mindset, that these communities, these smaller communities, it's a pilot program which is run for 3 years, 2 years. These regional communities, they need people, and this has been announced by these provinces in collaboration, in mutual discussion with the Canadian government, with the specifically with that province. So they need people in these specific sectors. Always go to their individual websites, like for example for Yukon, I will put down the link below in the description box, and you can find it. For Ontario regional pilot program also, I have the previous video, you can check that as well. So guys, I would say that don't lose this chance, because if this is your only chance to, even if you are waiting for PNP from some other from the main cities, still go and apply for these as well. There is no limit that you cannot apply. And usually these smaller communities, they don't ask for much of the I would say the much fees or anything before approval of your application. So but just for this thing, for the Yukon as well, there will be a job offer. You will need a job offer from these communities, and in my previous video I've already explained how to get the job offer, from which websites. So please go back to my previous video and where I have mentioned where you can apply for jobs in these communities, and how you can apply for jobs, how you can contact the employers, which is very important for you. And even we did not know all this information. This is inside information which we have gathered when we came here. So by trials and errors, and through which websites we succeeded to get job interview calls, and everything I am explaining in my videos for you to take advantage of, and for me to grow my small YouTube channel. And we are a family of 5,970 subscribers. So please share this video as much as you can, and tell your friends and family members who are migrating to Canada or who have plans to migrate to Canada in future. This will help you, because I have been there. I am in the same boat as you are. So stay tuned, and let me reach that 6,000 subscribers. Thank you very much, YouTube family, and hopefully I wish to see you all in Canada in the coming years, inshallah. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.